Okay, what am I saying? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating an eye look using the new Colourpop Blue Moon eyeshadow palette. I've gotten so many requests from you guys asking when I'm going to use this in a video. As you can tell, it's an all blue eyeshadow palette. It is absolutely stunning. I have not even swatched this. I have no idea what look I'm going to create. You bet your butt it's going to be blue. I have on my blue shirt. I don't know what that entails, but I just have on a blue shirt. I guess we're just stating some facts. Let's go ahead and zoom you guys in and get started. I'm gonna start off with this really pretty matte baby blue shade. It's called Moonlite. I'm going to apply this to my crease as like our first transition shade. And I'm just gonna kind of treat this like, I'm gonna pretend it's a neutral palette. I'm gonna just layer colors, you know. I'm not gonna be afraid of the blue. I don't really use a lot of blue eyeshadow, so this should be interesting. So far this color is really pretty. It blends out really easily and very nicely, smooth perfection. I really like that Colourpop's been doing like these really cool monochromatic palettes. Really excited to see what the next one is gonna be. I say yellow. I love me some yellows, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like what kind of other color palettes do you think that they'll come out with? Now I'm gonna take the shade Starry Eyed. It's not too different. It's like ever so slightly a little bit brighter than Moonlit, but I'm just gonna layer as many shadows as I can. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm really impressed so far. Like these blues are so pigmented and vibrant. They're blending out beautifully. I'm pretty excited about this color. It's called Fine China and it's like literally the color of like blue china. It is almost like a primary blue. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pop this into the crease to start kind of like deepening it up and adding, ooh. Usually like black and teals and, you know, dark blues and navy colors, like they go on pretty patchy just out of like experience from like other like palettes and stuff, but this is amazing. I'm gonna pick up the darkest matte shade in this palette. It's called Clued In, and I'm gonna take that on another brush. It's kind of like more of a packed shader brush, and I'm going to kind of like stamp this on the outer corners of my eyes. I have to get a bit of fallout on this side, which definitely is not coming off. Generally, if I was doing a really colorful, bold, bright eye look like this, I would definitely do my shadow first and then do my foundation. But I'm actually in the process of testing out a foundation, so that is a problem. These are 4 of the more metallic shades in the palette. They are so beautiful. I feel like that one is really pretty. It's like very vibrant. I'm kind of leaning onto that one, and then this on the inner corner of the eye. So I'm taking the shade Tide Pool. Oh my god. Okay, so to kind of prevent any type of fallout, I kind of sprayed my brush a little bit with some Fix Plus just so it applies a little bit easier and I don't have to worry about anything. But oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I'm taking a little bit more of Clued In, which is like that darker navy blue we were using. Just gonna add a little bit more. I kind of want to take this Lumi shade and not only put it on the inner corners of my eyes, but I kind of want to put it on the center on top of Tide Pool just to really see how it transforms it, because I feel like it's one of those transformer shadows that you can pair on top of like darker shades and it just like really looks cool. So I'm gonna take it on like a little flat brush here. I'm gonna try this dry first in the center. Oh yeah. That is really cool. I am, however, going to spritz it a little bit this time just to get even more pigment. It just kind of gives like the illusion that your lid is kind of like more wet. It has like this glow to it. It's really pretty. I'm glad. That was a good choice. I'm also going to take Lumi and just pop that on the inner corners of my eyes as well. It definitely looks really pretty on its own too. It kind of has like a pearly white baby blue duochrome shift to it and it's gorgeous. I'm taking the shade Starry Eye and I'm applying that to my lower lash line just to kind of finish off the look. I'm going to take a mixture of these 2 shades and I'm going to apply this on the outer lower part of my eye. I'm going to take the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Prance and I'm going to line my waterline with this shade. Ooh, that is so pretty. I think I am gonna create a wing really quick and I'm gonna add some mascara and I'll be right back. So here is the finished eye look. I think it looks so beautiful. Like, I'm actually kind of obsessed with this. It's a lot more wearable than I thought it was gonna be. Like, I would wear this out and about to like an event. I think it's beautiful. It's very vivid and vibrant. I am just like imagining and being like inspired for like different eye looks using these blue shadows. I'm really happy with this. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Little One, and then the Luxe lipstick in the shade Third Eye. I think a nice like nude lip with this eye look would look really pretty, so let's put that on. I am feeling this look so much, you guys. Like, I can't stop looking in the mirror. I kind of feel like a mermaid with like this hair and the eyes. The lips, like, it really like makes the eyes pop, but the color is gorgeous. Like, this is such a sexy nude. I am so pleasantly surprised by this palette. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little afraid of the blue and how it would go on, how it would perform, but I'm really happy. Like, I didn't have any problems with any patchiness. They are so pigmented, so much more pigmented than I thought they were going to be, and I'm just really happy. I'm already envisioning different like eye looks I want to create using this palette. I will go ahead and throw up some arm swatches of the palette before I go, so let's do that really quick. Everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what color palettes you think Colourpop is going to come out with next. And as usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Instagram, MAKEUPBYJESI. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. I would appreciate it so very much. And also hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. With all that said, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!